banana off my chair, Daddy. Banana. Oh, banana. Hey, get banana off my chair. Get banana off my chair.
What's she doing?
Nothing. I don't want her on my chair.
Well, why?
Because I don't like it. She's gonna poop on my chair. Just get her off of here.
She's not gonna poop in your chair.
Get her off.
Why?
Because I don't like it.
But she likes sitting on the chair with you.
Well, I don't like it. So just get her off. Now. Now, get banana off.
Well, tell her to get off.
Get off. Now. Get off. I just pushed her off. Hey.
Waiting on the fire board to decide what they want to do.
I got her off. I got her off. Unless I got her off.
Good thing.